So, rightly said, Ankush, this was a bouncer which came in. We were not prepared for this. Read, read. But I'll begin with something which is a little out of the box. So my first lesson in real estate was given to me by Paul. That was way back in 2010. So, and I got a scolding from him. I still remember that. But thanks to him, I've been pretty lucky in that. And all the best. This is a wonderful initiative, very much required. I think for an industry which is the second largest contributor in terms of GDP to the entire country, and still does not have a course which. बहुत बढ़िया. This is one more. Okay. So, like I said, this is actually required. There's a lot of gap when it comes to sales, marketing, when it comes to real estate ethos as such. It's not about selling any other element. It's selling real estate. It has to be in your blood. It has to flow inside you. And if it starts in the beginning, which you are doing rightly, I would say this is a very, very great initiative that you've taken. So all the best, and look forward to doing whatever you call us for in the future. So this is for you, Paul. All the best and keep it up. Cheers, buddy.
चाहिए जो ये सब काम करेंगे। आज की डेट में पहले आज से करीबन 30 साल पहले जो आपको लगता था कि एक रियल एस्टेट सिर्फ एक ब्रोकर काम करता है, टुडे देयर आर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड प्लेयर्स इंक्लूडिंग टाटा, महिंद्रा, अदानी, जो गोदरेज, एवरीबडी इज गेटिंग इनसाइड इट. यू हैव ग्लोबल प्लेयर्स कमिंग टू इंडिया नाउ एंड ग्लोबल प्लेयर्स टॉकिंग अबाउट मर्जिंग विद इंडियन प्लेयर्स नाउ. सो दैट इज अ बिग थिंग. ईमार इज कोलैबोरेटिंग विद अ लॉट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. ईमार अदानी का कोलैबोरेशन हो रहा है, पता नहीं क्या क्या चल रहा है. सो वर्ल्ड इज कमिंग टू अ स्टेज वेयर when Trump is doing that, तो नया कहाँ है?
No, it's not a new.
So Trump आ रहा है. So कोर्स जब नया होगा, कोर्स अच्छा बनेगा, तभी तो हमें एक तैयार प्रोफेशनल मिलेगा. हमें तैयार प्रोफेशनल मिलेगा, हम ग्लोबल कंपनीज के साथ compete कर पाएंगे, उन्हें अच्छा एक प्लेटफॉर्म दे पाएंगे, हम भी अच्छा एक काम कर पाएंगे और ऑर्गेनाइज तरीके से काम कर पाएंगे. So this will be a very good thing for the industry.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.